বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ। আজকে আমরা সাইটোকাইন নিয়ে একটি সহজবোধ্য সংক্ষিপ্ত আলোচনা করব। সাইটোকাইন সাইটোকাইনস আমরা জানি যে ইমিউনোলজিতে বেশ কিছু প্রোটিনস আছে। তার মধ্যে এক নম্বর প্রোটিন হলো অ্যান্টিবডিজ, সেকেন্ড হলো কমপ্লিমেন্টস এবং থার্ড হলো সাইটোকাইনস। এছাড়া সেলস অফ ইমিউন রেসপন্স, সেলসগুলো আমরা আলোচনা করেছি। আজকে আমাদের আলোচ্য বিষয় হলো সাইটোকাইনস। এটি নতুন আবিষ্কার এবং এ সম্পর্কে অনেক বিস্তারিত আলোচনা করা যায় এবং সংক্ষিপ্ত আলোচনা করা যায়। আজকে আমরা আউটলাইন আলোচনা করব ইনশাআল্লাহ। রাব্বি জিদনি ইলমা, রাব্বি ইশরাহ লি সাদরি ওয়া ইয়াসসির লি আমরি ওয়াহলুল উকদাতাম মিন লিসানি ইয়াফকাহু কাওলি। আমাদের আউটলাইন হবে হোয়াট ইজ সাইটোকাইন, নোমেনক্লেচারটা কিরকম হলো, লিস্ট অফ সাইটোকাইনস, স্ট্রাকচার, রোল অফ সাইটোকাইনস ইন ইমিউন সিস্টেম, হেমাটোপয়েসিস, basic concepts of signal transduction, regulation of cytokine response, role in therapy. নেগেটিভ অনেক কিছু আমরা আলোচনা করব না, সহজভাবে যতটুকু পারা যায়। What is cytokines? Cytokine সম্পর্কে প্রথম বলা যায়, cytokine is a proteins or messenger molecules that can communicate signals from one cell to another cell, and can instruct the cell receiving the signal to proliferate, differentiate, and secrete additional cytokine to migrate or die. Quite effect for the proliferation, differentiation, secretion of additional cytokine, and it can signal the cell to migrate or die. এটা রয়েটের ডেফিনিশন। আমরা আরেকটা ডেফিনিশন পছন্দ করি, সেটা হলো এই ডেফিনিশনটা। সাইটোকাইনস আর লো মলিকুলার ওয়েট soluble proteins or glycoproteins with a mass of between 8 to 30 kilodalton. They are secreted by leukocytes and other cells. কখন secrete হয়? In response to a stimuli, যে কোনো stimuli having autocrine, paracrine, and endocrine activity. They are redundant and pleiotropic. এই ডেফিনিশনটা মুখস্থ করলে সাইটোকাইনসের সবগুলো প্রপার্টিজ এখানে চলে আসছে। তো সাইটোকাইনস আর low molecular weight water soluble protein or glycoprotein. They are secreted by leukocyte or other cells. When secreted, they are secreted in response to inflammatory or other stimuli, and they have autocrine, paracrine, endocrine activity, and they are redundant and pleiotropic. এই জিনিসগুলো মনে থাকলে সাইটোকাইনের প্রপার্টিজ লেখা সহজ হবে। এছাড়াও আরো ডেফিনিশন আছে। Cytokines are non-antibody protein secreted by inflammatory, leukocyte, and some non-leukocytic cells, and they act as intercellular mediators. They differ from classical hormones in that they are produced by a number of tissue or cell types rather than by specialized glands, and they generally act locally in a paracrine or autocrine rather than endocrine manner. এই অনেকগুলো ডেফিনিশন জানলে আমাদের সুবিধা হলো এই যে আমরা মোটামুটি এটা সম্পর্কে একটা আইডিয়া পেলাম। কোনো পার্টিকুলার ডেফিনিশন মুখস্থ করতেই হবে এরকম কিছু নয়, কিন্তু আমাদেরকে ব্যাপারটা বুঝতে হবে। সাইটোকাইন আমরা বুঝলাম যে they are low molecular weight protein secreted by leukocyte or non-leukocyte cell, secreted in response to inflammation or other stimuli, and they have some special effect: autocrine, paracrine, endocrine. They are redundant and pleiotropic. সাইটোক্রাইন এই নামটা কোত্থেকে আসলো? এই নামটা আসছে, সাইটো মিন্স সেল, কাইন মিন্স যাকে সেলকে মোশনে নেয়। স্ট্যানলি কোহেন এই নামের জন্য, ডিসকভারি অফ গ্রোথ ফ্যাক্টরের জন্য নোবেল প্রাইজ পেয়েছিলেন ইন 1986। উনি এই নামটা প্রথম 1974-এ এটা করেন, এবং উনি এটার উদ্দেশ্য ছিল যে ফ্যাক্টর produced by a cell that can act on other cell. And other names of cytokines are based on their production function, etc. Interleukin, কোনো সাইটোকাইনকে, অনেকগুলো সাইটোকাইনকে ইন্টারলিউকিন বলে। বোঝা যাচ্ছে ইন্টারলিউকিন, দে কমিউনিকেট বিটুইন লিউকোসাইটস। কতগুলো নাম আছে, মনোকাইন, লিম্ফোকাইন। Monocyte, lymphocyte, they are produced by monocyte or lymphocytes maybe. Chemokines, the cytokines having chemotactic properties. Interferons, naam dekhe bujha jacche, which interferes with what? Interferes with viral replication. And some cytokines are named as colony stimulating factors, proliferation of hematopoietic precursors. Some cytokines are known as tumor necrosis factor because they cause cytotoxicity of transport cell. তো সবগুলো নামই রাখা হয়েছে এবং এদের কমন নাম হলো সাইটোকাইনস। তো এদেরকে আমরা স্মরণ করি, they discovered these cytokines and they got Nobel Prize in 1986. Stanley Cohen হাফ নোবেল প্রাইজ পেয়েছেন ইউএস এর, এবং রিটা লেভি উনিও হাফ পেয়েছিলেন, ইটালি অরিজিন। তো এবং সাইটোকাইনের উপরে আরো অনেক কাজ করেছেন পরে অনেকেই। এখন আমরা আসি, হোয়াট আর দ্য জেনারেল প্রপার্টিজ অফ সাইটোকাইনস। সাইটোকাইনস আর, যেমনটি আমরা একটু আগে বললাম, দে আর প্রোটিনস। কিরকম প্রোটিনস? দে আর পলিপেপটাইডস অর glycoproteins of low molecular weight, খুব কম molecular weight. তারা কোত্থেকে কিভাবে প্রডিউস হয়? they produce in response to microbes, antigens or any inflammatory response, and they mediate and regulate immune as well as inflammatory response. They are pleiotropic and redundant, and they regulate the synthesis and actions of other cytokines, and their actions are local, systemic, that is autocrine, paracrine or endocrine. এগুলো হলো এদের প্রপার্টিজ। আমরা যদি এক্সপ্লেন করতে যাই, what do we understand by autocrine and paracrine? Autocrine means cytokine যেটা একটা সেল থেকে প্রডিউস হলে acts on the same cell, that is autocrine. An example is interleukin 2 produced by T helper cell acts on T helper cell, again that is autocrine. Most of the cytokines are paracrine action, that is they act on nearby cell, and most of the cytokines are paracrine. Interleukin 1, they are secreted from macrophage, acts on T helper cell, and there are many examples. Some of the cytokines are endocrine, they are secreted from one type of cell and act on a distant cell after traveling through circulation. There are two other terms, pleiotropism and redundancy. Pleiotropy means same cytokine have action on different types of cells. Pleo means difference, tropism means affinity. So interleukin 4 can act on B cell, causing its activation, proliferation, differentiation. It can act on thymocyte, causing its proliferation. It can act on mast cell, causing its proliferation. This is the example of pleiotropism. Another term is redundancy. Many cytokines can act on a single cell for better action. For example, interleukin 2, interleukin 4, interleukin 5, all act on B cell for its proliferation and differentiation. So, what are the general functions? General functions are, they are the mediators of natural or innate immunity. Type 1 interferon, tumor necrosis factor, they are the main mediators of innate immunity. Interferon also a mediator of innate immunity. They are regulators of lymphocytic growth, activation, and differentiation. Interleukin 2, 4, 5, 12, 15. You know, interleukin 2 is the key cytokine. It is secreted from T helper cell, acts on T helper cell. Interleukin 4, 5, they are secreted from T helper cell and they act on B cell for its proliferation, differentiation. So, some cytokines are known as pro-inflammatory cytokines. They activate some inflammatory cells, type 2 interferon, gamma interferon, etc. Some cytokines, they have a specific function of hematopoiesis. You all know GM, CSF, MCSF, interleukin 3, interleukin 7, all are stimulators of hematopoiesis. Now, what is the importance of cytokines? Cytokines play a very crucial role in the immune system, and it responds to all kinds of disease. They interact with organ and cells alone and in combination with each other. The diverse load that cytokines serve in the immune system make them an ideal target for intervening or bolstering immune response. Cytokine therapy nowadays are very popular. Using recombinant DNA technology, cytokines can be created in the laboratory, so they can be easily used for therapeutic purposes. They have many treatment applications like cancer, multiple sclerosis, anemia, rheumatoid arthritis, etc. List of cytokines. The list is increasing. Till now, we have got 42 cytokines. Maybe now, by this time, some 1 or 2, maybe more. When I prepared this lecture, the number was 42, of which 30 cytokines are named as interleukin because they act in between leukocytes, and they are numbered as interleukin 1 to interleukin 33. Some are missing. Interleukin 14, interleukin 30 missing, and some cytokines are subdivided, say interleukin 1 subdivided into interleukin 1A and interleukin 1B. Some cytokines are named as colony stimulating factors like GM-CSF, granulocyte macrophage colony stimulating factor, GCSF, granulocyte colony stimulating factor, MCSF, macrophage colony stimulating factor, and SLF, steel locus factor. And some cytokines from their nature of action, from their action, they are known as tumor necrosis factor. There are 2 tumor necrosis factor alpha and beta. And there are 3 interferons, interferon alpha, beta, and gamma. And other cytokines, say transforming growth factor, leukemia inhibiting factor, oncostatin, they are also cytokines. This table shows the functional groups of selected cytokines. Say cytokines of innate immunity. You see interleukin 1, they are secreted from monocyte, macrophage, endothelial cell, epithelial cell, and their main function is on vasculature, inflammation, and they cause fever on hypothalamus. And they also induce acute fast protein, that is C-reactive protein. Tumor necrosis factor, they are secreted from macrophages. They have similar action, but extra action is cachexia, and apoptosis and neutrophil activation. Interleukin 12, they are secreted from macrophage dendritic cell, act on natural killer cell and influences adaptive immunity, that is, they promote Th1 subset, that is cellular immunity. Interleukin 6, secreted from macrophage endothelial cell, their special function is they influence proliferation and antibody secretion of B cell. Alpha interferon, they are secreted from macrophage. They induces antiviral state in most nucleated cell. They increases MHC1 expression and activates natural killer cells. Interferon beta, they are secreted from fibroblast. They also induces antiviral state. They also increase MHC expression and activates NK cells. Some cytokines of acquired immunity or adaptive, interleukin-2 most important, secreted from T helper cell. They are autocrine action, T cell proliferation, NK cell activation, and proliferation of B cell. Interleukin-4, they are secreted from Th2 cell and mast cell. They promote Th2 differentiation and isotype switching of IgE. Interleukin-5, Th2 cell, they act eosinophil exhibition and generation. Transforming growth factor, they are secreted from T cell, macrophage, and other cell types. They inhibit T cell proliferation and effector function. They inhibit B cell proliferation and promotes isotype switching to IgA and inhibits macrophage. They are mostly inhibitory function. Interferon gamma, they are secreted from Th1 cell, CD8 cell, and natural killer cell. They activate macrophages, increases expression of MHC1 and MHC2, and increases antigen presentation. Mechanism of action of cytokines. Cytokine act through cell surface receptor. There is a ligand-induced dimer or trimerization of receptor subunits. This facilitates signal propagation into cell through the interplay of transiently associated receptor cytoplasm cells. This is simplified. Just a cytokine, any stimulus can induce a cell to produce cytokine. When cytokines are produced, low molecular weight protein, they act on receptor on target cell and sets a signal, that is gene activation. This leads to biological effects. So what happens when ligands binds to receptor, that is cytokines bind to receptors? There are some conformational changes of the receptors, opens ion channel, facilitates binding of intracellular signaling proteins such as chemokine receptor. There is a dimerization of the receptor, bring signaling molecules into juxtaposition and activates downstream mediators. You see, this is another diagram. Cytokine, when binds with the receptor, there is a dimerization of receptor that leads to activation of some other tyrosine kinases. Then a secondary signal is there. So there is again dimerization of another. Finally, there is specific gene transcription. Cytokines, list of cytokines involved in innate immunity. Tumor necrosis factor alpha produced by macrophage, dendritic cell T cell, target the effect on neutrophil, endothelial cell, hypothalamus, and many other cells. Interleukin 1, interleukin 12, gamma interferon, chemokines, they are different types of functions. So cytokines involved in adaptive immunity are interleukin 2, 4, 5, lymphotoxin, interferon gamma. Their main function is T cell proliferation, cytokine production, B cell proliferation, antibody production, NK cell proliferation activation, B cell isotype switching to IgE, T cell differentiation to TH2 lymphocyte eosinophil activation, B cell proliferation. There are different functions. How adaptive immunity works. You see the role of cytokines here. Macrophage presents an antigen to T helper cell, and when it presents the antigen at the same time, it secretes some cytokine, interleukin 1, it is not here. Then T helper cell, it secretes interleukin 2. Interleukin 2 acts on CD4 cell. CD4 cell secretes many other cytokines, interleukin 2, gamma interferon, interleukin 4, interleukin 5. These cytokines act on B cell, causes B cell proliferation, differentiation, plasma cell formation, transformation, and antibody production. And when this CD4 cell secretes interleukin 2 and gamma interferon, then it acts on CD8 cell. CD8 cell is activated and transformed into cytotoxic T cells. It produces granzyme, perforin, and acts on the target. So, cytokines have got definite role in hematopoiesis also. You have seen many cytokines, say there are GM-CSF, interleukin 1, interleukin 6, interleukin 3, and there are interleukin 3, GM-CSF, GS-CSF. All these cytokines, they have specific roles in the hematopoiesis of different cells: erythrocyte, platelet, basophil, eosinophil, neutrophil, and monocyte. Cytokine disease. Cytokine disease can occur due to overexpression or underexpression of cytokine receptor, appropriate or inappropriate cytokine production and receptors, bacterial shock due to tumor necrosis factor interleukin 1, myeloma by interleukin 6, cytokine therapies. And it is relevant to tell here that cytokine storm can occur in many diseases, even it occurs in the COVID-19 diseases. So, cytokine therapies. As the cytokine plays a very important role in inflammation and immune response, so cytokine producing cell or a specific cytokine can be a target for therapy. Here you can give an example, say interleukin 2 is produced by T helper cell. It acts on T helper cell as well as cytotoxic T cell. So if we can, and there are receptor for interleukin 2 in both T helper cell and cytotoxic T cell. So if we can use interleukin 2 analog, or we can give some antibody against the receptor, we can suppress T cell proliferation and T cell cytotoxic T cell activation. And we can also destroy the activated Th cells. Say if some toxin is conjugated to interleukin 2, then it acts on the it binds with the interleukin 2 receptor, and the T helper cell will be destroyed. These are some examples of cytokine-based therapy in clinical use. Already these are used. Enbrel chimeric TNF receptor or IgG constant region, they are used in rheumatoid arthritis. Roeferon, that is interferon alpha 2A, used in hepatitis B, Kaposi sarcoma. Interferon alpha 2B, used in hepatitis C, melanoma. Interferon beta 1B, interferon beta 1A, they are used in multiple sclerosis. interferon gamma 1b used in osteoporosis. GCSF, hematopoietic cytokine, stimulates production of neutrophil. GM-CSF, another hematopoietic cytokine, stimulates production of myeloid cells after bone marrow transplantation. And interleukin 11, another hematopoietic cytokine, they stimulate production of platelets. Erythropoietin stimulates production of red blood cell. So thank you very much for this short lecture on cytokines. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.